I need to start with my program. Here is my Java NetBeans. I use my Java NetBeans IDE 17. So to start, I start in public class client hierarchy, and then private static credit hierarchy, two brackets, accounts equals new credit hierarchy 100, and then semicolon, and then private static int account count equals 0. So private static scanner equals new scanner system login. So before that, I use my file name as cs6203 underscore java credit underscore buyer card underscore cake.angeli.credit buyer card semicolon. So import java.util.scanner and semicolon. So here is the public static void main string, two brackets args, and then the bracket, while if true, so the system that out the print name java credit main menu. So this will command in every options. So if you choose credit, if you choose the main menus like new credit account, so I input system that out print link and then open parentheses and then the what we call this the code, and then option one is the new credit account, and then open close quote, and then the close parenthesis and then the semicolon. Next is the system that print clean, open parenthesis, um, open quote to credit inquiry if you choose credit inquiry, and then close quote, and then open parenthesis, and then semicolon. Next is the system that print clean, and then open parenthesis, open quote, option 3, purchases, close quote, and then open close parenthesis, and then semicolon. And then the next is the system that print clean, open parenthesis, close quote, for option 4, the payment, and then the close quote, open parenthesis, and then the colon. So lastly is the system that print clean, um, open parenthesis, open quote, 5, which is the option 5, and then close credit account, open quote, close quote, and then close parenthesis, and then semicolon. And then to exit, same system that print link, open parenthesis, open quote, option 7 if you want to exit the main menu, and then exit, close quote, and then close parenthesis, and then semicolon. So the next is the system print lane, open parentheses, and then open quote, choose an option. So what options do you want to choose? Is if it is a new credit account, credit inquiry, purchases, payment, close credit account, and then or else, or if your mind changes, then you want to exit. And then in choice equals scanner that next that in. Open and close parentheses and then semicolon. So I use scanner.next scanner as the command for next line. So to switch, if you want to, it's what I have said a while ago, if you want to choose if it is a credit account, a credit inquiry, make a purchase, make a payment, choose close credit account, um, system, or exit, then break. So this is how I construct the program. So switch, open parenthesis, choice, close parenthesis, and then bracket. So case 1 is the new credit, and then break, new credit, open and close parenthesis, and then semicolon, break, semicolon, case 2, which is the credit inquiry, open and close parenthesis, and then semicolon. So break, case 3 is the make purchase, open and close parentheses, and then the semicolon, and then break. Case 4, make payment, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. And then break again. Case 5, close credit account, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. And then until you reach on the case 7 system, exit, which is the 0, and then semicolon break. So the default program, the default of it is the system.out.println. So invalid option, please try again if you choose out of this option. So if I choose a withdraw, so there is no withdraw in the option. So that is the on how to create my credit account. So here, the private static void new credit account, open and close parentheses and then bracket, system.out.print. So enter the client's name. So which is the open and close parentheses, open quote, enter client's name. My name is Kate Bayarkal or Bayarkal Kate. So colon and then close quote, close parentheses, and then semicolon. So string name equals scanner dot next line, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. So system dot outprint dot print. So open parentheses, open quote, enter annual income, colon, close quote, and then close parentheses, and then semicolon. So double income equals scanner dot next double, open and close parentheses, semicolon. So scanner dot next line. So open and close parentheses, and then the semicolon. So if the income, if open parentheses income is greater than 20,000 or 200,000 rather, open parentheses, a close parentheses and then bracket. System.out.println, sorry, annual income below 200,000 is not eligible for credit. And then if the program says that it is not eligible for credit, so it will return on the option. So next is the credit Bayarkal account equals new credit Bayarkal. So name, comma, income, close parentheses, and then semicolon. So accounts, bracket account, count, plus, plus, close bracket equals account, semicolon. So the system out that println, open parentheses, open quote, credit account created successfully. That period and then close quote, open close parentheses and then semicolon. So next the system that out println, open parentheses, open quote, account number, colon, and then open quote plus account that get account number. So open and close parentheses and then semicolon. So next is the system that out println, open parentheses, open quote, credit limit, colon, open quote, plus account that get credit limit, open and close parentheses, and then the semicolon. So next is the private static credit hierarchical, find account, open parentheses, int account number, and then close parentheses, and then the bracket. For int, I equals 0, semicolon, I is greater than account, count, semicolon, I plus plus, and then open, I close parentheses, and then bracket. If the account I can get account number, open and close parentheses, equals account number. So, close parentheses and then bracket, so return the accounts I, semicolon, so return null. So, next is the private static void credit inquiry. So, we are proceeding on the second step. So, credit inquiry, open and close parentheses, and then bracket. System.out.print, enter credit account number, colon, and then close quote, open parentheses, and then semicolon. Int account number equals scanner.next int, open and close parentheses, and then the semicolon. And then scanner.next line, open and close parentheses, semicolon, and then next proceed to The next is the credit hierarchical account equals find account number. So if account apostrophe equals null, so the system that out that print lane account number colon some close quote plus account that get account number. This will command on the account number. And then open and close parentheses and then semicolon. Next is the client's name. So how to provide in client's name. If you want, the option will tell the client name. So system.outprint.print name, open parentheses, open quote client name, colon, and then close quote plus account that get client's name, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. And then the credit limit. So to get the credit limit, the credit limit, colon, open quote plus account that get credit limit, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. So, so the if is the option, if there is another option. So I use if. So next is the balance. So system.out.print clean, open parentheses, open quote credit balance, colon, and then close quote plus account that get the credit balance, open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. So else, if there is another option or another function, so system.out.print.println, open parentheses, open quote account not found, that close quote and then close parentheses and then the semicolon. So next on the purchase. So um, I use the private static void for the make purchase. Private static void make purchase open close parentheses and then the bracket. Then system.out that print open parentheses open quote enter credit account number. So colon close quote close parentheses and then semicolon. In uh, in the account number equals scanner that next in open and close parentheses and then semicolon. Scanner that next line open and close parentheses and then semicolon. So for credit vehicle account equals find account open and close parentheses account number and then semicolon. So here is the conditional if uh, another if for the option. If the account is null, the system will tell enter the purchase amount. So system.out.print open parentheses open quote enter purchase amount colon close close quote close parentheses and then semicolon. So double amount or scanner that next double. So open close parentheses and then the semicolon. Though and then next is the another condition. If the amount is uh, greater than 1 peso, account that get allowable purchase amount, open and close parentheses, and then the bracket. And then system out print lien invalid purchase amount. And then it will return on the option here on the enter the credit account number, enter the purchase amount, and then the and then you will enter the correct purchase amount. So the account that purchase amount, system that outprint when purchase successful, that new balance. So if the amount was entered properly, so it will pop up the purchase successfully and then it will reflect the new balance of your credit account. So system that out that print clean, open parentheses, open quote, purchase successful, that new balance, colon, close quote plus account that get credit balance, open and close parentheses. And else if the account is not found. So the system that out that print lane, account not found. And then, next is the make payment. So, private static void make payment. So, open and close parentheses, bracket, system.out print, enter credit account. Again, every time you will make a transaction, you will always include or always enter the credit account number to identify the client's account. So, system.out print, open parentheses, open quote, enter credit account number, colon, and then the close quote, close parentheses, and then the semicolon. Int account number equals scanner, the next int, open and close parentheses, and then the semicolon. Scanner, that next line, open and close parentheses, semicolon. So, credit by Arcal, find account number. If the account number is invalid or wrong account number entered, it will pop up as a account is null. So, if the account number is successful or correct, so the system will pop out as the enter the payment amount. So, system.out.print enter payment amount. So, double amount equals scanner.next double, open close parenthesis, semicolon. And then, if the amount is less than 1 peso, amount is 1 peso amount, account that get credit balance. So, system.out.print lien invalid payment amount. So, it will return again on the option. So, account that make payment. So, if you will make a payment, so here's the command also. Account that make payment or the amount, system that outprint link, payment successful, that new balance. So, if you are going uh, to secure a payment and the payment was successful, the new balance will reflected. And then the plus account that get credit balance. Again, it will reflected again the new balance of your credit. And then else if the account is not found. So if you again enter the wrong amount or wrong account number, the account will not found. So system.out print link open parentheses open quote account not found that close quote close parentheses semicolon. So in closed credit account, so I use the private static void closed credit account, open and close parentheses, and then the bracket. So system.out print lien enter credit account number. So this is a mandatory. This is a mandatory. And then int account number equals scanner. Then next int open and close parentheses, and then semicolon. Scanner that next line. So I always use the scanner for the for the option. And then the credit by Arcal account equals find account number. So if again the account number is invalid or wrong account number, it will reflected as null. If the account that close account, open and close parentheses, bracket, the system that outprint lien account close successfully if the account number is correct. So, system that outprint lien, open parentheses, open quote, account close successfully, that close quote, close parentheses, and then semicolon. So, else, system that outprint lien, please pay off the balance before you closing the account that close quote and then close parentheses. And then the semicolon. Else system the account not found. If you again put an invalid account number, and then if you have still balance on your credit, you cannot pay off the you cannot close your account or credit account. So you need to do is to pay off first the whole balance of your credit, and then you can close your account. So I have two programs here or foldings here. I have the client Firecall and then the credit Firecall Java. So in credit buyer card Java, so I also use import java.util random colon. So public class credit buyer call and then the bracket private string client name, private double annual income, private int credit limit colon, private int account number colon, private double credit balance colon. So public credit buyer call string client name, comma, double annual income, close parenthesis and then the bracket. So this the client name equals client name. So and then the semicolon. And then this that actual annual income equals annual income semicolon. This that the credit limit calculate credit limit or annual income semicolon. This that account number equals generate account number open and close parenthesis and then the semicolon. This that credit balance equals 0.0 colon. And then the private in calculated credit limit, double income, open and close parentheses, then the bracket. So if the income is less than 500,000, so it will return on so the credit limit is 100,000. So else if the income is greater than 300,000, is not okay. 300,000 or close parentheses, uh, close bracket, return to 50,000. So, else if income is 200,000, then return to 30,000 credit limit. So, else return to 0. So, that is not eligible. So, next is to generate the account. So, random round, new random, and then return 1000 plus 1 that next int 9000. So public string get client's name, open and close parentheses, and then bracket returns client name. And then next option is the public int get credit limit, open and close parentheses, uh, open bracket, return credit limit, and then semicolon, and then close bracket. And then the public int get account number, open and close parentheses, open bracket, return account number, semicolon, and then the close bracket. And then public double get credit balance, open and close parentheses, open bracket, return credit balance. And then the semicolon, close bracket. And then public void add purchase, double amount, open and close parentheses, and then the open bracket. Credit balance plus equals amount, semicolon. So credit balance plus equals credit balance times 0.03 semicolon. So the 3%, this is the 3%. So next is the close bracket, public void make payment, double the amount, open and close parentheses, and then the open bracket. Credit balance minus equals amount, semicolon. And then the close bracket. Public double get allowable purchase amount, open and close parentheses, open bracket. Return credit limit minus credit balance, semicolon, and then the close bracket. Public boolean close account. So I use the public boolean here to close to the command for close account, and then small and I open and close parentheses, and then the open bracket. Return credit balance equals 0, and then there are the two Java that I use. So that's the end of my discussion. Thank you so much and have a